Hi friends, welcome to TurboSite channel. In this video, you'll learn how to add a logo or text overlay to your video streams using TBS28XX Series HDMI Encoders. TBS28XX Series HDMI Encoders include TBS2832, TBS2824, TBS2812, TBS2808X, and TBS2804X. Logo and text overlays are configured inside an encoding profile. If an encoding profile is applied globally, every program inside the stream will display the same logo or text. If an encoding profile is assigned to a specific program only, then the overlay will appear on that program alone. Now let's see how to configure it. Go to the Live Streams page. Select HDMI encoder. Then click Encoding Profiles. Here you'll see all available encoding profiles. You can either create a new encoding profile or select an existing one. Choose the profile you want to use for the overlay. Click Edit. Find the logo overlay section and enable it. Then click Choose File to upload your logo image. Please note that the logo image must be in BMP format. After uploading the logo, configure its opacity and position. You can adjust the transparency level and place the logo anywhere on the screen. When finished, click Save. To make the changes take effect, go to the commit page. Restart the streaming engine. Now open VLC Player. Enter your stream URL and start playback. We can see the logo displayed on the video. Text overlay is configured in exactly the same way. Now the text appears on the video stream. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and products updates from TurboSite.